What needs to inform everything we do? What needs to inform everything we do? And Carl Sagan, who was a great scientist and astronomer, and he had a fantastic series when we were kids, when TV first started in the 1970s in South Africa. And he said, anything else you're interested in is not going to happen if you can't breathe the air and drink the water. Don't sit this one out. Do something. You are by accident or fate alive at an absolutely critical moment in the history of our planet. If you can't breathe the air and you can't drink the water, then you can't live. If you say it's someone else's problem and you continue your pollution and so on, then perhaps you need to get involved in the act. Somehow you're alive right now at this critical moment. Remember, a moment in the history of our planet is 1,000 years. Our planet's billions of years old, 13 billion years old. I mean, 100 years or 1,000 years on 13 billion is 1/13 millionth. And you're alive, and you have a responsibility to do something, whether it's to talk to your friends or to talk to your neighbors or to become understanding. And even whether you have money or you don't have money, it doesn't matter. The first thing to do is you have to be interested, according to Carl Sagan. He says you must be interested in the air that you breathe and the water that you drink, because if you can't, you won't be alive. You won't be able to live. You won't be able to survive. You're alive right now for a reason. I don't know what the reason is. You have a purpose. You have a mission. Sitting in the back of your mind at 9 o'clock at night when you get into bed, there's something that you hear and that you think and that you dream and that you feel and that you know. That you can be involved in making the world more healthy by your choices. And if you can't make choices, then the one choice you can make is to get information and to teach people and just to talk to your neighbors and talk to other people and try to say to yourself, if I could only get 10 neighbors together and we all put 100 Rand a month in, it's 1,000 Rand a month, we can do something with that 1,000 Rand a month. Even if we start with 10 people with 10 Rand a month, it's 100 Rand a month, we can do something with 100 Rand a month. We can start, we can make a difference. We really can. Let's start.